In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Cloudflare from Chrome if you've been encountering issues with Cloudflare preventing you from accessing certain websites, or if it's causing unexpected interruptions during your browsing. This tutorial is for you. By following these simple steps, we'll clear out the cached data and cookies associated with Cloudflare, which can often resolve these issues. Let's jump right into it and get your browser back to running smoothly. First things first, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer. Once you've got Chrome running, look toward the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. These dots are your shortcut to Chrome's menu options. Go ahead and click on them. A drop-down menu will appear, offering a variety of options. From this menu, find and select Settings. Clicking on Settings will take you to Chrome's main settings page, where you can make adjustments to how your browser behaves. Now, on the left-hand side of this page, you'll see a sidebar with several categories listed. Look for the section labeled Privacy and Security and click on it. This is where Chrome keeps all the tools and options for managing your browsing data and privacy settings. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, look for an option that says Clear Browsing Data. Click on it, and a new menu will pop up. This is the tool we'll use to remove the data that could be causing issues with Cloudflare. When the Clear Browsing Data menu opens, make sure you're on the Basic tab. You'll notice there are 2 tabs here, but for this tutorial, we'll stick with the basic one. It's simpler and contains everything we need. Now you'll see a list of checkboxes. The first box is labeled Cookies and Other Site Data, and the second one is Cat Images and Files. Make sure you check both of these boxes. These are the areas where Cloudflare-related data is likely stored, and clearing them will help resolve your issue. Next, look for the Time Range drop-down menu. It's located near the top of this same menu. Click on it, and you'll see several options, such as Last Hour, Last 24 Hours, and so on. For the best results, select All Time. This ensures that all the data stored by your browser, regardless of when it was collected, will be cleared. Once you've selected All Time and checked the appropriate boxes, you're ready to proceed. Look for the blue Clear Data button toward the bottom of the menu and click it. Depending on how much data your browser has stored, this process might take a few seconds to complete. After clearing the data, it's important to restart your browser to make sure the changes take effect properly. Simply close Google Chrome and then reopen it. This step ensures that any lingering data is flushed out and that your browser starts fresh. And that's it. You've successfully removed Cloudflare-related data from Chrome. By clearing your cookies and cached files, you should no longer encounter issues caused by outdated or conflicting data. If you continue to experience problems, it might be worth checking if the website itself is experiencing Cloudflare-related issues or trying other troubleshooting steps. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.